Today we're going to learn just purely how to remove the old brake pads from the BMW R NineT race bike. Let's get started. So on this Brembo race caliper, you need to remove the circlips from the pins, and then you need to rotate the pins and then they come out. Something that you can use is needle nose pliers just to help get the clips started. And same for this one as well. Something that I noticed is that the BMW factory put a white dot where the circlips should be. It's just a nice touch. You've got to be careful as well because you want to try not to damage the paint on the Brembo caliper. It's not easy to do. If you are struggling with the clip, something that may help you is get something like a something like this. Just get it in there. Just get it in the clip. Now it has come out. You just got to be conscious that you don't want the tool to slip and damage the anodized racing caliper or the anodized paint on the wheels by BMW. And all you need to do, take something like a needle nose pliers. Yes, this is going to fight you. Yes, it's going to slip. You are going to burn up energy doing this. Because again, you're going to pull the pin out. You don't want to damage the paint around it, which is what you will probably find some mechanics do, just to get on with the job. Again, trying to be careful with the paintwork, because you know they'll be told you've got to do this as quickly as possible. You know what I mean? And then the idea is the pad will then find its way out. Yeah, like so. Remember the orientation. Bring out the pads as you would, as you found them. Actually, not bad. For high performance brake pads by Brembo. So in the world of brake pads and braking systems, Brembo are the best of the best. They are the supercar of braking technology. So they are braking technology for superbikes. This is the stuff for superbikes. There is no brand that is better. These sintered Brembos. Once you know what you're doing, they are fairly straightforward to remove, and it is nice being able to work with a racing caliper. So it is one of the easier calipers to work on. Thanks for watching. cup of tea.